Hello guys, so here are the shaders I was talking about, and let's say here I have shader M1 and it has an edge value and one height value. So if I just reduce the height value, you can see it's clipping in y-axis, and if I simply go closer, you can see it is a filled box rendered in both the dimensions. I can change the size of the edge, the inner edge, if we require this part empty. So I have did this shader, and this one also I have to reduce, and it is rendering. This one looks like that this is this wall, this is the inner wall, but this is filled completely. So and this one is empty here side, so it is a hollow representation of the cutting. And this is the same one, but this one is same, but this one is casting shadow. Here I'm doing the surface shading for the first time, so I miscalculated a few things and I was not able to show the shadows, but this one is working with the shadows and edges. So next one, this one got albedo, just albedo update. So if albedo is updating and inner value is based on colors, I can even do this one based on albedo. So I can assign one albedo for inner surface and one for outer surface, but unfortunately this thing was not working with these because of the pivot. The pivot was not in perfect center. So actually what I am doing is finding the vertices and multiplying it to a smaller scale value. Let's suppose 0.9. So the next portion will be 90% scale to the, but in this case this is not working. So what I have done, I have shaded it different way, and I'm just basically filling a color in the places where, like for example, I am filling here the black one. So the inner geometry, the back face, I'm coloring it with black. I can change color to any and whatever, and but this was just using the y value, so I can cut this from only top to bottom. So now I have created this last update of shader, and this one has a plane connected to it. So plane, it just a empty game object, but when I move this, I can cut it in any dimension, and I can rotate the plane. So if I suppose do this, the back face is also there. So it's not a, I mean, you don't see a hollow skull, you don't see through the back faces. So both faces are rendering, and based on the rotation and position you can complete it. So here it is. As you can see, I am having some issues with the shadows and the lit and unlit part of the geometry. So maybe fix this very soon.